Welcome to the Hikvision Dashcam YouTube channel. Today, we'll guide you through the complete setup process for the G2Pro Dashcam. App connection. Open the G2Pro box, and make sure all the accessories are included. You need to prepare 2 cards, a SIM card for a 4G connection, and a TF card for video storage. First, insert the TF card into the car recorder. Next, connect the rear view camera. Then, install the 3 LED hardware kit power cable, and plug it into the car recorder. After installing the hardware, go to General > Language and Region in your phone settings and select your country, region. Finally, download the HikDashcam app from the App Store and follow the in-app instructions to complete the setup. Memory cards configuration. Once the app is connected, let's set up the memory card. First, click on the Settings button on the top right corner of the app, and find the Storage Card option. Here, you need to change the status of the card from Exception to Working. Alternatively, you can complete the storage card configuration through Dashcam Settings menu. Enter the Format Micro SD card option, and switch to SD card mode. After this step, your memory card can be used normally. Forward box setup. After checking whether the 4G box is fully equipped, insert the SIM card into the box and connect it to the dashcam. Then, click Add Device in the app to connect. When the dashcam shows Upgrade Success, it means the connection is successful. Next, click Connect Device, enter the settings interface, and find the Cellular Cloud Box Information option to confirm the 4G connection status. After a successful connection, you can click Remote to monitor the device remotely. You can switch between the front and rear views by sliding the screen. In addition, by clicking the Photo Function button, you can also watch, playback, and download videos in real time.